Hello everyone, your third class students are explain the GK question regarding national symbols, important dates and the freedom fighters. Okay student, I will ask any questions as my wish. Are you ready to tell?
Yes.
What is your name beta?
My name is Tanusri.
Which class you study now?
Studying in third class.
Tell me beta, within the short period I will ask you. What is our national flag?
Tirangana.
What is your national tree?
Banyan tree.
What is your national song?
Janaganamana.
When we celebrated the Gandhi Jayanti?
2 October.
When we celebrated the Marty Day?
30 January.
Very good. Tell me two important freedom fighters.
Ram Prasad Bismil.
And
Mangal Pandey.
what is your name?
My name is Tanush.
Which class study now?
I'm studying third class.
Okay, tell me beta. When we celebrated Christmas?
25 December.
When we celebrated the Martyrs Day?
30 January.
When we celebrated Labor Day?
May 1.
Our national anthem?
Janaganamana.
Our national emblem?
Ashok
Our national flower?
Lotus.
Tell me few three important freedom fighters names.
Rani Lakshmi Bai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad.
Very good. What is your name beta?
My name is Christine.
Which class study now?
I am studying third class.
Okay, you can tell me our national symbols. What is our national flower?
Lotus.
What is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Our national animal?
Tiger.
Tell me importance. Christmas. When we celebrate Christmas Day?
14 November.
When we celebrate the Teachers Day?
5 September.
Tell me the two important freedom fighters.
Bhagat Singh.
And?
Sukhdev.
Very good. What is your name?
My name is
Which class study now?
studying third class.
I will ask you national symbols. What is our national flower? What is our national animals?
Tiger.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
Very good.